Atria Institute of Technology celebrates Silver Jubilee with Grand Alumni Meet. Atria Institute of Technology, AIT, marked a significant milestone in its journey, celebrating 25 years of excellence in education. To commemorate this occasion, the Institute organized a Grand Alumni Meet on its campus, bringing together batchmates from 2000 to 2024. The event was inaugurated by Chairman C.S. Sundarraju, who emphasized the importance of alumni as the Institute's treasure and ambassadors. Our alumni are a testament to our success, and we are committed to providing them with world-class facilities and opportunities, he said. The meet was attended by esteemed guests, including Trustee Nagaraj, Technical Director Kushik Raj, Principal Dr. Rajesh, and Vice Principal Dr. Nalanashi. A photo session was organized for the alumni, allowing them to relive their fond memories of campus life. The event also saw senior alumni voluntarily offering help and guidance to their junior counterparts, sharing their experiences and expertise to help shape their careers. The Institute's management reiterated its commitment to providing state-of-the-art facilities and teaching aids, leveraging the latest technological advancements. The evening concluded with a grand dinner where faculty members were felicitated for their contributions to the Institute's growth and success. We are proud of our alumni and their achievements, and we look forward to continuing to support and nurture their growth in the years to come, said Chairman C.S. Sundarraju.
I think today is an interesting day that 25 years later, so many alumni of the college have come back, and it's amazing to see over 300 ex-students come here, participate and be part of this journey. And I'm very convinced that this will be a regeneration and new innovation of what education will be. And I'm sure with these support of these alumni, Atria will march forward.
I think they are your true treasure and ambassadors.
Absolutely. They're the true ambassadors, and we really look forward to engaging with them because they've already created a separate AI Connect team that will on an ongoing basis figure out what is required in the coming years, and they'll be helping the institution grow in the right fashion.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, this is Shiva Swaroop, a proud Atrian, belong to the first batch of computer science from Atria, which started in 2000. Currently, I am working for Samsung Semiconductors. I thank Atria for organizing this Silver Jubilee Alumni Meet. I have very good memories from the college. I would like to take a name, Kamalam Balasubramanya, the CSC HOD of our name, who was a very good faculty and supported the entire batch. This is our batch t-shirt, which we started in 2000. It's preserved for 20 years.
Since you are the first batch and now today it is 25 years, what is the change that you are finding in the campus?
The infrastructure is amazing. Earlier it was associated with TTU, now it's a university by itself. The class, the volume it speaks. Atria stands for its pride and prestige, and it comes with a very good dignity. It is started with strong founders and it's continued well with successive strong principals.
And now it is a NAC A++.
Yes, that's the biggest accreditation which has got. Congrats to Atria for that.
My name is Nachiket. I am from the first batch of Atria, computer science batch, 2004 pass out. So, studying in Atria was a kind of electrifying experience for me, making new friends in my academic days, and we had a lot of good fun experiences in those 4 years. Since we were the first batch, we learned a lot of self-learning, which was probably not available in other colleges where you had seniors to guide you in that way. So in that sense, Atria kind of paved the way for us. So going by that same path, in 2013 I started my own company, Chipster Technologies. I am the co-founder of that. So I am running that business now for the last 7 years in the tech sector, in the technology segment. So I feel that Atria had a big role to play in that decision as well as during my experience in the last 7 years.
So you are going to share your experiences to the present batches.
Correct. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. Yes. Yes. That's right. Yes. That.
Hi, my name is Sudha. I'm the batch of computer science.
Face the camera.
I'm the batch of computer science 2000-2004 pass out. I am working currently with TCS. To recollect, it has been 25 years that we are coming back to college to see a new building, everything fresh and nice. It is going back to the day one, how when we came into the college. It's really nice coming over here and meeting everyone. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Archana Prasanna Kumar. 2000 is the very first time, the first batch of Atria. When we joined, we were the first batch. And this event is bringing a lot of our old memories. And we are enjoying meeting our old faculty members and also friends. Thank you so much, Atria, for making this event.
Yeah, hi, this is Pushpa, and as my friends have shared, right, so it's really great bringing back all our old memories. I'm from the same 2000 to 2004 batch, and now I'm working as the Director for Data Management and Digital Solutions in the supply chain consumer space, and really proud to be here and getting to know all our colleagues.
What way you want to pay back to the Atria Institute?
Yeah, definitely. So I'll be talking more with the alumni and more of the CSR initiatives, and also maybe some of the cultural initiatives, more from an employer and
maybe
a
the
relationship.
knowledge sharing.
Yeah. So industry best practices, and yeah, if we can arrange some sessions from our organization to the university here. That would be good.
Hi, this is Sindhu, again from 2000 to 2004 batch. Feels really great to get back to the college after 25 years and to see so many new buildings here. I remember that it was just one building with 3 classrooms and a few faculties, and it was really nice to see our old faculty members, our old friends. Nice to catch up with everybody here. Feels
How happy
good.
you are to meet all your good old friends.
Excellent, very, very happy. Nice to see that most of us remain the same and there's the same bonding between all of us, and thank you for organizing this for us.
Hi, I am Divya. I was from the ISV batch 2018 to 2022. Right now working at the Theomics, clinical genomics company.
And in what way that you want to give it back to Atria Institute? I mean,
I would love to be a part of anything, come help out with teaching, students, anything.
I'm Shivram. I'm 2022 passed out graduate. I'm working in Quest Global Engineering Services in aerospace industry now. And then best memory.
so in what way the Atria has contributed in building your career?
In many ways, it has helped a lot in building my career. Actually, they provide extracurricular activities, extra training on the placement activities and all. It has improved my placement very well.
So in what way that you want to give it back to the Atria from your side?
Yeah, as my HOD asked us, we need to share any technical reviews and any technical talks we have to contribute to the students, the upcoming juniors, and what the industry needs to the upcoming students they are going to hire. So they are going to make the syllabus based upon that.
Because you are the ambassadors of the Atria.
Yeah, we are the brand ambassadors of it.
Always you are the ambassadors of Atria.
Yeah.
Keep it up.
Thank you.
So my name is Sam Prabhakar. I'm passed out in the year 2022. So and I'm from mechanical department, and currently I'm working in Axis Cadus Technologies Limited and as assistant design engineer. And he is our HOD, and he was he has been a great support to us throughout our engineering times. So whenever we have doubts, it was easy get to person. So we used to ask any doubts related to our career field as well as education. So he was always been there for us. So, yeah.
How was your classroom experience?
Yeah, it was really great. It was like more than teachers were completely friendly towards us. They didn't behave that they are teachers and we are students. So that this thing wasn't there. We had a friendly relationship with our faculties as well. So it was really great experience that we had.
How was the workshops? Are well equipped?
Yep. Yeah, workshops are really good. And now every month we used to have one or the other workshops in mechanical department. So it was really great.
Myself Arjun, and I finished from the batch from 2020 to 2024. It's not been quite a while since I passed out, and I have been working in Confident Dental Equipments in near Birdi for the past 4 years. And the journey has been great, and I would like to say without Venkategoda sir, my journey with Atria is completely incomplete. So all the major thanks goes to him. So it is all because of Venkategoda sir that I've been able to get my basics are strong in all the kinds of mechanical aspects. So I would like to firstly thank Venkategowda sir for doing all the things. Even though he took the in charge of HRD pretty late, but in the last 2 years when he was HOD for our batch, he had done a fantabulous job. I would really like to thank Venkategowda sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
I think you owe a lot to
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I owe a lot to him.
Particularly.
Yes, sir. If I have the chance, I'm willing to take him on a trip to somewhere in a very nice place, sir.
Yeah. No, of course.
Yes, sir. Sure. Anything for the mentor right now, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
I am Archana. I have joined in ATA in 2020. So I'm a mechanical engineer. Currently now I'm working in HL Mando. It's a Korean company. Now I was a design and analysis in the role. So when I joined the college in the 2020, so I have learned so many things. Actually, I have made so many friends, and then the memories I have created are more. And when it comes to the classroom, it was. I can't say that exactly, but it was much better than what I have imagined. And the credit goes to my HOD, Dr. Venkategowda sir. Actually, because of him only, even when I was low also, he used to give a positive vibe to me, give a positive messages to me. Whenever I am low, I used to go and contact with sir. It was very pleasure to have him as a HOD for the mechanical department. I'm so grateful that he was helping.
Myself Meghna, I am literally a diploma background. I am from diploma batch, and I am very thankful to Dr. Venkategowda sir because of from the rural background I didn't mean to do engineering. Because of him itself I did engineering. It's very good, and I have a job in Kenna Metal, which is a metal cutting.
Kenna Metal.
Yes, sir. My metal cutting tools.
Very good organization.
Yes, sir. So
I am from mechanical background.
Oh,
I know what is Kenna Metal.
Very good company, and I am very thankful to the college to given a placement in a Kenna Metal.
Okay, myself Timothy. I am last year passed out 2024. Now basically I am working in Toyota in Jigni. Basically manufacture of engines. What you see on the road, that is all our engines, diesel and hybrid engines. I am so privileged. I thank you for HOD, all the teachers for helping me, guiding me in each and every step. And thank you for 4 years they're guiding me. Thank you for helping to get a good job. They're helping training for each and every preparation for that. Thank you for that.
Hi, this is P.T. Bala. I was in Information Science Engineering 2005 pass out, and it's almost been 19 years. And currently I'm working with Rakuten Symphony as an Associate Director QA.
So you have been placed with a high responsibility. Yes. And how you owe to Atria College?
Atria teachers were brilliant. College was new. There was new blood in terms of professors. They were all young. I love the uniques.
Yeah.
And COBOL, I can never forget the number of errors I have got in my programs.
Yeah.
But overall, college is vibrant. Students are really all are placed in a very good position.
How you are finding the campus?
I can't recognize. It has changed.
The campus what you enjoyed and the present one?
It has changed. Drastic changes.
So in what way you want to, as a gesture, in what way you want to give it back to the Atria Institute for the present students, batch students?
Definitely, if my company is running an internship programs or the fresher recruit, definitely Atria should come. Okay. Students from Atria.
So I think you might be feeling very happy coming back to the campus and meeting all your good old friends.
Yes, definitely.
So enjoy.
Thank you so much, sir.